So this week with Think and Grow with Toya D, we're gonna learn how the subconscious mind shapes your reality. The subconscious mind is a part of your mind, and it's a part of your mind that works in the background. And it works by like storing your beliefs, your memories, your habits, the things that you do every day, your emotions. And it's going to influence your thoughts, your actions, your feelings. And it's going to do this automatically without you even being aware of it. So you got to think of it like a program that's running in the background of your mind that shapes how you respond to your life. So I'm gonna give you two ways how you can think about your subconscious mind. Think about it like a storage room for everything you experience, learn, and believe. As well, think about it as like it operates on autopilot, driving your behaviors and decisions based on the programming it has received over time. So I'm gonna give you some real life examples about how the subconscious mind works. So think about it like when you first learned to drive, you had to think about every action. You adjust your mirrors, pressing the pedals, make sure your hands on the steering wheel correctly. Now you drive without even thinking about it. That's your subconscious mind taking over. So let me give you another example. So I'm gonna give you a money example. So if you ever heard of the phrase money doesn't grow on trees, or that rich people are greedy growing up, if you ever heard those, your subconscious minds might associate wealth with negativity. So this belief could lead to sabotaging financial opportunities or avoiding wealth building habits. Okay, I'm gonna give you one more. Like when it comes to choosing this same type of partner. So if someone grew up seeing unhealthy relationships, their subconscious mind might believe this is what loves look like. So you might, just that's how you grew up. So that's what you think that love look like. And as a result of you thinking that, however you was raised, they might keep choosing partners who don't treat them right, who don't treat them well, even though they consciously want something better. So you can consciously want the best for yourself. You can constantly want the best partner you ever dreamed of. But if you got some subconscious beliefs that you're not aware of that has been programmed into you, that's what's going to show up first, not your conscious. So understanding the subconscious mind and learning to work with it is so essential. Like you have to know this. We all should know this. And it's essential because it empowers people to take control of their lives from the inside out. So, your subconscious mind works with your belief systems and your self perception. So, the subconscious mind stores core beliefs that you have developed over time, and it often begins with childhood. And these beliefs, whether empowering or limiting, can become the lens through which we view ourselves and others. And for example, like if you believe that you aren't deserving or successful, you will unknowingly sabotage opportunities or avoid risks that can lead to your growth. So, your subconscious mind has power over your habitual behavior patterns because your subconscious mind controls automatic behaviors. And this means that on your daily actions that are often driven by what's familiar rather than by what's conscious. So, this is why it's difficult to break habits that aren't aligned with your goals. And you have to understand that these habitual behaviors, it will create consistent outcomes in life. It will reinforce the reality shaped by our underlying beliefs. So, for example, if you have a problem with procrastinating due to fear of failure, it can limit your success. So, your subconscious mind has power over your emotional responses and your triggers. So, your emotional reactions often originate in the subconscious mind. Your memories and emotions are stored below conscious awareness, and it can be triggered by events and it can be triggered by people influencing how we react without us even realizing. And I know we all have experienced that before. So, let me give you an example. If you have a fear of public speaking, And it might stem from a past experience that you had that embarrassed you, and it's stored in the subconscious mind. So it's going to automatically create anxiety whenever speaking in front of others. Even if you feel like you're not afraid conscious, but subconsciously, you're going to feel afraid automatically. So let's discuss how your subconscious mind has power over filtering and interpretation of information. So this is what the subconscious mind do. It acts as a filter for information by focusing on details that align with your existing beliefs, and it will disregard things that don't fit. So this selective attention is called the confirmation bias. So let me give you an example so you have a better understanding. Because if someone has a belief that opportunities are rare, so their subconscious mind will focus on scarcity rather than abundance, limiting their ability to see and seize new opportunities. So if you follow me and watch my videos, you know I'm going to reiterate over and over again how it's important how you view yourself, how you feel about yourself, what you believe about yourself, how you think about yourself, because that is what's going to show up in your reality. So, self fulfilling prophecies. So, the subconscious beliefs drive actions, and it's going to drive your reactions that shapes your outcome. So, often creating self fulfilling prophecies. So, this is what the subconscious mind do. So, if you believe, like deep inside, that you're not good enough, then you automatically will shy away from challenges. And it leads to outcomes that reinforce that belief over and over again until you become aware of who you are and what you're thinking, your beliefs, and your truths, and change them. So now, by repeatedly acting in line with subconscious beliefs, people will unconsciously create a reality that is aligned with those beliefs, regardless, regardless of whether those beliefs are positive or negative. So your subconscious mind don't care if it's positive or negative. Your subconscious mind is working out for you. It's doing what you believe, is going with your beliefs and your truths. So you definitely need to evaluate your life, evaluate yourself, and evaluate those beliefs and truths that you have. And if it's not aligned with you, you need to get rid of them. So far, you can see how important the subconscious mind is. It's very important that we understand how the subconscious mind works, because it also has power over our manifestation of goals and desires. Because the subconscious mind, it plays a key role in manifestation, because when goals and desires are deeply ingrained in the subconscious mind, they will align with the conscious intentions that we take, the actions that we take, and it by creating a powerful drive toward achieving those outcomes. They can be positive or negative. So whatever's ingrained inside of you, that's what's going to show up. So, however, with the subconscious mind beliefs, there is a conflict with the conscious goals, like wanting financial success, but you believe money is bad. So, consciously, you want financial success, but subconsciously, you learned a long time ago, maybe in church, maybe in school, your parents taught you that money was bad. So you have that belief deep inside of you that you have to understand and pull out and change. Because if you consciously want to be financially successful, but subconscious you believe money is bad, it's going to cancel out. So you should understand a little bit more how the subconscious mind works, because the subconscious mind is constantly influence our experiences. It's constantly influencing our choices and our reactions, shaping the reality we live in. So, by becoming aware of this underlying beliefs that you have, these patterns that you have, you can start to rewire the subconscious mind, aligning it with your conscious goals and creating a reality that reflects your highest aspirations.